Alright, so here's the next video. We got it off, baby. It actually wasn't too hard. As you can see, I spilled fluid everywhere. Little advice here. If you look here, this was full of leaves. Full of leaves. So what ended up happening was, obviously the fan turns on and pulls leaves all the way here. I live in the Northeast. Obviously I'm going to have to get some mesh or something, put it on the front lower facade, and try to keep some of the leaves out. As you can see, this thing is, that's my oil cooler. At some point I'll probably have to get a new one, because it's pretty fucking covered in leaves. I'll try to explain it to you here. Let me lighten it up, make it easier to see. Here, I believe, is your transmission cooler. This is your condenser. The new radiator is going to go in the front. This is your oil cooler. That is your engine block cooler. And, oh, excuse me for the bright light. That auxiliary radiator and your main radiator are what cool your intake charge. Cool your intake charge. So hopefully in the next video this thing will be installed, and I'll be assembling it to go. Peace.